Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use Claude for browser automation. It's really helpful because it's going to help us to write more effective code because Claude will have an access of your Chrome, and it can read the documentation from there, and also it can do the hard stuff for you. Example, you want to set up a payment for your app, and you want to set up any integration, and you don't know where to start with, then this is the best way to do it. Let's start with the really simple way. We'll first open a terminal. We'll make it a little bit bigger so that you can see it. I'm giving this command because I don't want to see except yes, no, again. It's depend on you whether you want to just say Claude, or like you can also start with Claude and then it will be started, but you can start with that way, which I like. Okay, so what we have so far is a terminal with having nothing in there as of now. So I'm saying first we'll say open Chrome. So we have nothing more than just a simple Claude code which is open in terminal, and we can say /MCP, and we will have Chrome dev tool MCP which is over there. I mean, we just need to activate it. Look, I wanna open my Chrome and then let it do a comment for me. So I said already open Chrome, and it does open a Chrome for me. But now I'm saying I wanted to open Chrome, and then Chrome is already open already, and then open my X account, and whoever is first on my feed, read their post and content and do a comment on to say something insightful. So now let's give it that command and see. It's already calling the tools, like it has an MCP which it is allowing it to call the tools and help us what we want to do. Okay, it's now suggesting me. Perfect. Look, I'm not using it, bro. Okay, or replay is done. You can see it. Okay, this is the first use case. There could be a lot of use case for using this kind of automation tool. Like you can read the documentation, and then you can do the hard stuff with it. Like you want to do an integration, like you want to do an Salesforce integrations. So what you can do is you can use this tool and do an integration, create an app and stuff like this, and then you can really easily do the hard stuff in development. And also you can use it to do audit of your content, audit of your YouTube channel, audit of your Instagram or whatever you're using it, and you can do an audit and understand, because you'll have a person, kind of a person who is expert in everything and helping you to understand. Like I can say, okay, audit my X account and tell me why there is ups and down and why it's growing and why it's not growing, stuff like this.